Well, hello my friends, Bruce here. Okay, so this is your typical lawnmower. Doesn't matter who makes it. It starts and stalls. This one is made by Powermore. Yard Machines is the company that puts it all together. And I'm just going to check the oil in it. Boy, it looks brand new. I've done one thing to this lawnmower, and if you look right here, there's a bolt and a washer, or on the other side over here, there's a plastic fitting to hold the handle down. That's all I had. I went through my parts, and I did not have anything. So let's just see what it sounds like. I've heard it run. It's that typical thing, right? It starts and stalls. So let's just give it a go. So the next thing I'm going to do is tie the bale down, and we're going to just see if we can squirt some carb spray into the carburetor. I needed a little one like this, you know, in between the tough ones. Okay, let's get that air filter off there and we'll have a look at the air filter. I think with a little bit of air pressure it'll be just fine. So it's been used a little bit, eh? Let's just spray it right now with some air and see how it comes out. Okay, I would call that acceptable. One little dark spot. Now, carburetors. Do we use carburetor spray or do we use two-stroke priming fuel? I like two-stroke priming fuel a little better. So let's just back you up a little bit. Got the clamp on the bale. So it was actually drinking. I wasn't pumping it much, but in between, like I left it for about 30 seconds, it was actually drinking right out of the can and into the carburetor, just from the intake pressure. So that's a good sign. So let's get it up on the hoist. Get it up on the hoist, and I'm going to do the dark and dirty jet removal clean possible. We're going to widen the jet, the main jet, if we can get it up.